Hello teacher. Track student performance with the average function in Google Sheets. You can do so by calculating their average scores on tests and assignments, and here is how. We have students' names in column B and their respective scores for each subject from column C to column E in each row. Google Sheet has an average function that can find average of scores. Step 1. Select the cell where you want to enter the average score. In this example, I am selecting cell F2. Step 2. Type the equal to sign and write average and press the tab key. Step 3. Select the range of cells where the score of students are entered. In this example, I am selecting C2 to E2 for the first student. Step 4. Close the bracket and press enter. The value in F2 will give you the average score of the student in the first row. Now you can drag the right bottom corner of cell F2 and bring it down to all the rows where you have students' data. This will copy the formula for all the rows and give you the average of the scores. This feature can be used to calculate more than just grades, class attendance, student participation, average supply costs, and many more. For more such tech tips from Innerscore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.